Welcome guys, so today I am with Realme Buds Air 3 and I'm gonna show you how we can hard reset this device. So as you can see, I'm currently connected to the application, everything is fine. And if you want to perform the hard reset, take a look. On the right side of the case, you will find this button right here. You have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front blinks on the green and the red. It will take like 10 seconds to get this indicator. So click, hold, take a look on this indicator right here. It's currently blinking on the white, so we have to keep holding. There it is. It's blinking on the red and the blue. I mean on the green and the red. So right now we can release. As you can see, right now we are not connected anymore with the application. So when you click right now and refresh, as you can see, we cannot get back this connection. It means that the settings were restored to the default. So right now all we can do is just to go back, select the device, delete the device from the list, and you can link a device one more time. If you don't have it right here in the nearby devices, you can just simply go for the Bluetooth settings. Of course, delete this connection, power off the Bluetooth, power it on, and the Realme Buds Air 3 right now will appear on the available devices list. As you can see, right now we are connected, and we can try to add them also to the application. As you can see, everything is working fine. So that's how you can make it step by step. That's how you can pair these earbuds with your phone, and also that's how you can hard reset them. So one more time, to perform the hard reset, put both earbuds in the case and then click and hold this button for 10 seconds until you will get this indicator, red and the green. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.